1980 Firebird Transam. It's a Restomod. Has a 5.3 LS motor with a 4L60E transmission. It was built about maybe more than 12 years ago. Previously, it was from Texas, and it was driving in 2020, and it was repoed. It was sold by Streetside Classics out of Phoenix, Arizona. The interior is mint condition, beautiful custom interior. It has one crack on the dash right there. Other than that, the interior is very nice. The rims are 17-inch aftermarket. I don't know where they're from, but you know, I know some of them are cheap, like $1,500, and some of them are like $3 or $4 grand. I don't know which are these. It's got a little rust popping up here. Here's the LS motor. It's a 5.3. It's got the modern AC system, modern hoses.